Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Club by Chandran Isnuri, and today we're gonna install the Resurrection Remix ROM on the Galaxy S6 Edge, and it is the Android Oreo 8.1, so the latest Android version, and that is really great. But the thing about this ROM is the official version is only out for the Galaxy S6 and not for the S6 Edge, so it is not working on the S6 Edge over here. So I have an official version that is on the XDA developer, and link to the ROM will be down in the description. You can go ahead and download it from over there. So we're gonna install this. So first of all, you're gonna root your device and you're gonna have to have the custom recovery, and I've already made a video about it, and link to the video will be right over here. So once you have shut down your device, you're gonna go into the custom recovery. So to go into the custom recovery, we're just gonna press volume up key, home key and power key at the same time, and now let go of the power key. And the device is now booting into the custom recovery, and we're gonna go in wipe, and we're gonna go in advanced wipe, and here we're gonna select the Delvicare cache, system, data and cache, and we're gonna swipe to wipe. And once that's done, we're gonna go back and we're gonna go and install, and here we're gonna select the RR version 6.0.0, and depending on whatever you have, the Galaxy S6 or the Galaxy S6 Edge, you're gonna select official and unofficial. So mine is Galaxy S6 Edge, so I'm gonna go with the unofficial one, and we're gonna swipe to confirm flash. So this is a really light ROM, so it does not take a really long to install, but these kind of application does not come with a Google applications, so you're gonna have to install them separately, and I've already made a video about it once again, and link to the video will be right over here once again, so you can check out that video and get the Google applications installed on your device. So it is almost done installing the ROM. So it is done installing, and we're gonna go back. So now we're gonna install the Magisk over here. So I have the version 14.0, but you can download the latest version, and link to the latest version will be down in the description. You can go ahead and download the latest version, and you're gonna select that version over here and swipe to confirm flash. So it will give you the Magisk installer, and the greatest thing about Magisk is it works in 3 ways. So first of all, it gives you root permissions and all. It works as SuperSU, and it also works as the exposed framework. And the third advantage of using the Magisk is it lets you use the Snapchat if you're on the latest version or Magisk version. So that is really great. So we're gonna go ahead and reboot the system. It being a really light ROM, it does not take a long time to boot up, but it takes around 10 to 15 minutes. So put your device aside and it will boot. So guys, the device just booted up, and I really like the UI. The icons are really nice to look at, and I really like the minimalist UI over here. There's nothing much going on over here. There's nothing much, and you have translucent back of the app drawer, which looks really nice, and you have all the features of the stock Android ROM, and it feels that the quick settings is a little bit translucent as well. I always turn off the auto rotate, and let's go into the settings, and here let's go into over here the system, and let's go into the about device, and here you have the Android version 8.1.0. so it is the latest version of Oreo, which is really great, and there are not a lot of ROMs that are giving you the Android version 8.1 on your Galaxy S6 Edge right now. So this is really great. The Android Oreo 8.1 supposedly gives you a better battery life and better management over your device, so the device should feel a little faster. So I really like this. You also have the Magisk over here, which we installed along with the ROM, so that is really great. Magisk lets you use Snapchat, which a lot of ROMs cannot do, so that is really great. So I think that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please subscribe to this channel, and do follow me on Instagram as well. This is Chandran Isnuri signing off.